Alphonse Mucha, one of the defining artists of the Art Nouveau movement, has left an indelible mark on the world of art. His name is synonymous with flowing, decorative designs, capturing the elegance and beauty of a bygone era. Born on the 24th of July, 1860 in Moravia, now part of the Czech Republic, Mucha's early life was steeped in a love for art. After honing his skills as a decorative painter, he ventured to Munich and later to Paris, where his creative vision began to flourish. It was in Paris that Mucha encountered a world that would spark his transformation into a pioneering artist. Here, his signature style would emerge, one that would not only define Art Nouveau, but also captivate the aesthetic sensibilities of a generation. Art Nouveau, characterized by intricate flowing lines and organic motifs, sought to break free from the rigid constraints of previous artistic styles. Mucha's work embodied this fluidity and natural beauty with breathtaking grace. His designs celebrated nature, combining botanical and floral themes with curvaceous, sensuous forms, often in the form of elongated female figures. These elements became his hallmark, creating a dreamlike atmosphere in his paintings, posters, and illustrations. His work transcended mere decoration to become an expression of the harmony between art and life, inspiring everything from fashion to architecture. The Mucha style is instantly recognizable, a blend of elegance and intricate detail. His art often featured rich, decorative borders that framed his subjects, as well as a palette of soft pastels and earth tones. But it was his portrayal of women, graceful, ethereal, and yet grounded in the natural world, that captured the imagination of audiences. In these portraits, women were depicted as powerful symbols of beauty, nature, and femininity. Their elegant forms were not just figures in space, but living, breathing representations of the world around them. Each piece conveyed an emotional depth, drawing viewers into a world of reverence for the female figure, nature, and the ethereal. Mucha's work took on a new dimension in the commercial sphere. His iconic posters, especially those featuring the famous actress Sarah Bernhardt, propelled him to international fame. These advertisements were more than simple promotions. They were works of art in themselves, their visual impact equal to the talents they were meant to showcase. These posters, vivid yet delicate, redefined advertising by blending aesthetic beauty with commercial function. Mucha's art became the visual language of the Belle Époque, its elegance imbuing everything it touched with an air of sophistication. In the later years of his career, Mucha turned his focus to a deeply personal and monumental project, the Slavic epic. This series of 20 massive paintings, each a vivid portrayal of the history and mythology of the Slavic people, marked a profound commitment to his cultural roots. Through these works, Mucha sought to elevate the history and traditions of his homeland, using the language of art to convey pride in Czech nationalism. The Slavic epic was a culmination of his career, a testament to the power of art as a means of storytelling and cultural preservation. Mucha's contributions extended far beyond his own time. His mastery of decorative design laid the groundwork for modern graphic design and influenced countless artists. Mucha's work was not only about beauty for beauty's sake, it was about meaning, about embedding the viewer within a tapestry of emotions, history, and culture. It was about creating art that spoke to the soul. Today, Mucha's legacy lives on at the Mucha Museum in Prague, which houses a vast collection of his works, allowing visitors to explore the depth and breadth of his artistic contributions. The museum is a place where the timeless beauty of Mucha's art is preserved for generations to come, a reminder of the delicate yet powerful magic that art can weave into our lives. Alphonse Mucha's art continues to captivate the world, not only for its decorative beauty, but for its enduring emotional resonance. His work is a bridge to a time of grace, elegance, and profound cultural expression. As we look upon his creations, whether it's the bold, iconic posters or the sweeping historical epics, we are invited to step into a world where beauty is more than just visual. It's a connection to something deeper, something eternal. If you enjoyed exploring the world of Alphonse Mucha, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on his legacy and what resonates with you the most. Your support helps us bring more stories like this to life.